Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I brought some coins that I would like to show you. The first coin here is $1, 1998, Robert Kennedy. So this coin, the silver weight is a little below than 1 ounce. I may make a special video about the history of this coin later. The other coin I brought as well is the Olympic 2020 Olympic, Tokyo Olympic, 1000 yen. So this is swimming. Japan in the Olympic, the Japan Mint, they produced a lot of designs. Most of the design have this fixed, but on the other side, there are a lot of designs in swimming and other sports during the Olympic. Same as well, not only for the 1000 yen, but also for the 100 yen. A very nice coin. This one is 1000 yen Rugby World Cup. And rugby is very famous of course, in New Zealand, Australia, South Africa, and recently Japan, especially in the last 10 years. And there's a lot of people and a lot of fans in rugby now. And 2019, the Rugby World Cup. Very nice coin. This is the 500 yen, and this is for the Chubu airport. And you can see here there is an aeroplane hologram. Very nice. And this is a proof coin. On the top here, Japan. On the bottom, 500 yen. This is 100 yen. So this is the Okinawa 100 yen. It's a commemorative coin. Same as well for this one. This is a 1 sen. And by the way, the 1 sen is the 1 yen contains 100 sen. So it's made of copper. I also got this as well, a bunch of pocket change. You can see here, old lira. There is nothing special about this. I see some videos on YouTube, people presenting these coins as if it was a lot of money. And we need to be careful. I see a lot of videos just talking about mint errors, and most of these errors are actually damaged coins. So please be careful not to fall into this kind of traps. Someone trying to sell you a pocket change as if it's a mint error. So, and as a collector, I would recommend to first collect the things that is common. Don't jump into the mint error from day one. So this is a bunch of pocket change. I also bought this coin. So this is a bullion coin, the Philharmonic. There's nothing special. 2021, 100 euro. I also bought the 50 euro. It's a half ounce, 25. It's the same design. So the Philharmonic design is always the same. Always the same, which is really unique and nice as well. Rest of the bullion coins, like maple leaf, of course, you always have change, depends on the monarchy. Same as well for the eagle. We recently had a change. The Philharmonic has always been the same. Same, I think, as the crude rand as well. Crude rand as well, design has always been the same. Yeah, so, and last but not least, I got as well the half-ounce maple King Charles III, $20. Very nice coin. Yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a bit quick video just to show you what I got recently. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very good day.